Hello everybody, it's a Pop Focus. You're looking cute again today. Thanks, man. Appreciate that, I guess. How we doing? How we doing? Can I get a dap, please? Nah, I don't do that anymore. I only give fake daps. Put the release in the bag, dude. You just gotta believe me that it was for the best interest of the game. I would rather delay the game a billion dillion times and make sure that the game is actually good than release some like bullshit crap that you guys hate. You just gotta believe me, bro. Sup, Ived? Sup, Krusty Mop? Cammy? It's over 5 AM here. Are you sure you want to do this to me? Dude, go to sleep. This is not gonna be like a crazy stream anyways. I'm just gonna be working on some bullshit. Maybe some bug fixes, etc. I don't know. We'll see what we get done today. What's up, Maeve? What's broken, bro? Dude, a lot is broken. You started me working on fun stuff this stream. I mean, what do you want to see me work on? I don't really have a list per se. But yeah, I do actually. I do potions. That might be easy. This is fixed. Sub eulogy. Seeing you live put a smile on my face. Hi, Derp. Hi, Emily. Seeing you here put a smile on my face. I might also do the fixing daily gift and rebirth. Yeah, I'm gonna do that actually. Because right now in the game, I'll show you guys. Finish the UI. Okay. The icons. Hi, Anthony. Alright. So look. All this shit doesn't work anymore because I'm stupid and I broke it. So, I think I'm gonna do that now, actually. You know what I also have to do? I'm gonna try, actually, maybe I'll try something new today. I want to, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys something. So, somebody sent me a bug report. Lag causes ores not to process and upgrade. Take a look. Look at his ores, they're not upgrading. And then they all bunch up at the end. I think I'm gonna make the ore client-sided. So maybe I'd try that today. I already know some jackass can be like, what do you mean client-sided? Fuck you. It doesn't matter. The client already has control of the ore anyways. Can I test? No. No, you're not allowed to, Vernie. So, I might make all the upgrades client-sided, so you immediately see the feedback. How are you doing, Derp? I'm doing well, Anthony. How are you, bro? Fuck the to-do list does not fit in one screen. Well, a lot of it's crossed out. Quality of life over security. That's sort of what I was thinking. Like, that's actually what I was thinking. I don't know if you're saying that's to, like, troll, but I would rather every player has like a really, really nice experience than a couple exploiters do well. And really, what I will do probably is I'm not gonna fight exploiting. I think I'll just say, like, if you're an exploiter, please opt out of leaderboards, or I'll make a separate leaderboard for the exploiters. That way, you could do whatever the fuck you want. Macro, exploit, do whatever, and there'll be a separate leaderboard, and you can compete with all those guys. And if I somehow see like someone's exploiting on like the wrong leaderboard, I'll either just move them or I'll ban them. Fuck them. It's just visual right now. Oh yeah, it's just visual. It's just visual. Okay. We could maybe do the ore stuff. I think the ore stuff might be fun to try and figure out. I sort of drafted this out a little bit. I copied this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna draft this out a little bit more off stream. I'll work on the plot. I'll work on the plot stuff. I think that's easier. I think it'll be more enjoyable to watch because we'll actually see stuff getting done. The ore stuff, it needs some time to cook. Do you release it? Yeah. No. Will there be limited crates? Yes, there will be. I don't know if... I think on release, like a week after the release, there's going to be an egg hunt, which is a little late. But there will be a limited time crate. You know what I was actually considering? I was considering, and I don't know if I'm not like totally like sold on this yet, because I think that people should stay on their bases for the most part. But I was thinking that there could be like little like islands or whatever, or some like little like mirages that appear that have like the limited crates or have random crates. So like maybe there's like a rare crate or whatever, and it'll say a mirage has appeared, and then you can go up to it. And this is sort of taken from the Bubblegum Sim islands, special islands. So when you're releasing it this time, I have no idea. But we'll see. I'm just trying to get what I want out, like base, like trying to get the base stuff out, the stuff that should have been released. Okay, so let's go to plot setup. I'm gonna call this model. I was hyped getting off work to not see it out yet. Sorry. Sorry. If you guys want to see something cool though, take a look at this. So we did a little test this morning where I opened it for 15 minutes. Dude, look at the conversion. Not too bad. One sec. I'm talking about onboarding. Okay, ignore the 63%. The last part bugged. But, dude, look at this. 86%? Not too bad. And the biggest fall off was this, because the tutorial broke for some people. And I fixed it. I've since fixed it. But, pretty cool. Your room looks cozy. It's alright. Why do you social distance your code? Because it's easier for me to see. Our leader. I don't have enough XP to understand that. This game almost has enough XP. True. Your Mars really give you that gamer glow, do they? I guess maybe a little bit. Dude, I ended stream earlier so I could go get bubble tea and go for a walk, and I didn't do either. I made some salmon, took a nap. And listen to Laffy and Claro. No, I've been listening to Big X. Wait, what's his name? I'll show you who I've been listening to. Big X the Plug. I love this song. Take Care. Hey, these are my like songs right now. It's Leifei. Okay, my fault. That Big X the Plug is pretty good. Does this game have Rebirth? It sort of does, but not really. It has Rebirth in the sense that once you get X amount of money, you can trade it all in for like a powerful item, but it doesn't destroy your base. It doesn't really increment like a life that's going to be like on a leaderboard, and it's not something that's super repeatable. Every single Rebirth, or every single like almost like Ascension, I guess, is predefined. What's up, Dogman? Why are you in a new room? Same room. Same room. Thoughts on Taco Bell? Not a fan. Not a fan. I can't eat it. I'm allergic. I got beef with Leaf now? Why? 45k rolls, and my best fucking slime is 770 million. Ooh. Oh. You know, fuck with the cheesy gordita crunch? Can't say I've had it. Cannot say I've had it. That's not Leaf, bro? Let's see. It is Leaf. Basic crate, advanced crate. Are you allergic to Taco Bell? I'm allergic to gluten. Aerial stream when? Not happening. I think maybe the only time I'd ever do an IRL stream is if I went to RDC, but I don't really see myself going to RDC. I think my time to go to RDC has passed. Like, I think I would be going, and I'd be the only adult there. I've seen some clips from RDC, and it looks like a bunch of high schoolers, to be honest with you. Basic crate, advanced crate, rebirth, that's it. You'd probably cause an incident. I don't really know what that means, John. I might make it so instead of clicking on, or instead of walking here, you click on it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I kept walking on it by accident. I don't give a fuck about the glow. I've got no sentimental value. You finished reading the map? The map was not me. Make the ring smaller? No. No, I'm getting rid of it. Can I banish the fake leaf? Yeah, you can. It was funny for a second, but now I can't tell who's who. I've been working on the game for about a month. Maybe a month and a half at this point. Are you going bald again? That's not happening. You would already see. Dude, I saw this. Dude, he was getting grinded on. I don't know who this was, but dude, I saw this shit. I was like, what the fuck? This guy's had more play than Leaf ever. Were you jealous? I mean, a little bit. I'm kidding. Why is this non-telesensing? Derps was the big bazooki. Do you guys see Creek is under fire right now? Dude, I don't even know how my Twitter somehow stumbled upon this, but Creekcraft tweeted at somebody and said like he called them a dumbass. And I mean, to me, I thought the tweet was joking. But dude, all like the 8-year-olds are getting pissed and saying he's calling a minor a dumbass. Like, do you not see this? He's sending his fans on this person. Dude, I don't know. I was like looking at it, I'm like, dude, thank God I'm not famous. I'd be fucking banned. Dude, I would be canceled so quickly. Oh, so all of you have seen it. All of you have seen it, bro. It's crazy. Dude, it'd be different if he's like said something like actually crazy. Dude, he just said dumbass. I thought that was it. Dude, and also it was clear. I mean, to me, it looked like a joke. But dude, I was shocked by this. I'm like, dude, how the fuck is this on my feed, anyways? Like, I feel like this is like 14-year-old drama. Why not participate in Mr. Beast streamer to compete for $1 million? Because I found out the money was going to the viewers, and I didn't want to fight for you guys. Derp X Rakai win soon. It's in the works. Let's just say there's a lot going on behind the scenes. When's that shirtless stream you promised? Yeah, probably not happening. We watching the charity match tomorrow? No, no. Dude, watching streamers now is actually like hurting my mental. I get, dude, I think you guys will get it when you're my age, bruh. I think I just hate things now. Dude, I just get so pissed whenever I watch even XQC. I can't do it anymore. Where are you from? Bama? Alabama? No, I'm kidding. So I was checking some Discords today to see, like, you know, what's the haps? What are people thinking about Drillbit? If anyone's even talking about it. And bro, people are saying who knows when the game will come out. The owner keeps delaying. Fuck, I got that rep now. I saw you ended the stream on prompted and you were typing up a storm announcement, so I knew it was over. Wait, you actually saw? You saw me typing announcements? Dude, I reread that shit like 8 times. I reread that shit like 8 times, and one of the first comments after I posted it was someone putting it through an AI generator, or an AI thing, and said it was 100% AI. And I was like, dude, what? 100%? Dude, I don't need AI to do my... Dude, I'm well articulated when I need to be. Hey, listen to this. I got a good vernacular. Ooh. Yo, Google that one. Google that one. SAT word. I just checked, it does say 100% AI. Yeah, dude, go look at my other messages. I feel like I type very, like, I don't know, I was shocked by that, because I checked it myself. What are you getting the SAT? 1570. Just kidding, 1470. I don't know why I lied. Honestly, I was shocked with that. Dude, I'm a big M- user. But the issue is, like, every time I type an email now, I've had to stop myself from using an M- because I feel like people are gonna think it's AI generated. I love the M-. It's one of the best punctuations. Followed? No. closely followed by the semicolon. The semicolon's phenomenal. How to access M dash? I'll show you. Next to your 0, you do dash dash, and that's it. Well, I like M dash because I'm always emphasizing things. Like I say something and then like there's like I got an emphasis afterwards, but I was putting that shit in papers everywhere. I loved it. But now I stopped using it because of AI, which is sad. Translate your M dash. Okay. Oh. Don't say. What do you mean sure? It says John Odds. John Odds with a Pikachu profile picture. Fuck you mean sure? Okay, I got an idea. I don't give a fuck anymore. I'm actually serious. I don't give a fuck. I'm doing something absolutely crazy. You guys are gonna fucking hate me. Ooh, I love the song. Dude, I'm dead serious. I want to make a YouTube video of this song. Like, dude, this is the only song that would make me want to make one. Listen, ready? Holy fuck. It's just so good. I can hear the intro. Hello, once again, audience. I'm kidding. I will never do another code review. I've got zero interest. Oh, you stream on Twitch anymore? Oh. You know why. You just wanted to ask. You just wanted to ask. Do you see the new slime RNG zones? Yeah, did you make them? They're very, very nice. You did a good job. Satisfying map voting. I guess it is pretty satisfying. Hi, I developed a plugin that helps you organize your scripts more effectively. Alright, let's take a look. Think of VS Code's Explorer, but in Roblox. Plot. Wait, are you fucking copying my game? It's okay. Happy birthday to me. Anyways, look what I've been working on. Alright, let's take a look. Yo, is this custom water? Question mark? Are we using Gerstner? Or no, this is flat. This is a texture. Wait, is it? Okay, aw, little cow. First animal modeled, rigged, and textured in Blender are gonna improve over time though. Fire. And then he's got a little cow. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. A little unoptimized in the knees, but whatever. No, I'm kidding. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Your algorithm led you to this. I was up at 3 a.m. to head to Houston to a swingers party. What's a swingers party? We heard you. Planet Coaster. Derp, you're the reason I don't post. Really? Ooh, this looks pretty satisfying. Why'd you stop working on this? Wait, actually kind of nice. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, this is actually good. Well, I'm confused. Got bored. Wait, this is actually good. You should work on this. I don't really know what the gameplay would be though. Now that I think about it. It looks nice though. Two years ago, still, you can go back to it. I'm going back to an old project from 2 years ago. Soon, actually. After Drillbit, I'm working on a mining game. Alright, let's take a look at the TikTok. Okay, you don't got anything going on there? And join your server? Yeah, no thanks. Okay, cool. Yeah. Anything but working. Suck my fucking balls. Yeah, I think I want to work on a mining game again. I've been itching. I have like a crazy itch, and I have ideas now to try and make it fun. And I'm getting better at VFX, so. Just don't call it Dirt Mines. It'll be called Olford's Quarry. I'll show you. I made this 5 years ago. Wait, 6 years ago. Oh my god. No, 5 years ago. 4/20/2021. No, I didn't release it. Not yet. Look how horrible this game is. This was one of my first projects. Oh my god, Foxes is live. No, I'm not. Or am I? Yeah, it just needs some work. Reminds me of Azure Mines a little. Yeah, it's pretty much the same formula. Looks fire though. Okay, it's not that fire. I appreciate the kind comment. It's not good. But yeah, it was my first game. I got quite a few players actually, even though it was super simple. You would mine stuff, and then you would walk over here, sell your stuff. And you had your little inventory and everything. I had in-world events too. So at the game has a day-night cycle. At night, ore would spawn over here. Kunzite? Actually, yeah. There are some old ore in here, I think. Or some ore that's in the current game. Is it? Yes! Yes! Dude, the Kunzite mine? Here, I'll show you. This dropper is called the Kunzite mine. And that's from this game. Pretty epic, right? It's a little bit of lore if you didn't know. Which I would imagine none of you did. But yeah. This one's cool. Doge, the Doge. Or it used to be cool. I don't think it works anymore. It used to pull the price of Dogecoin, and then it would give you that much money. But yeah, this will be the next game I work on. It probably won't be that big, but I don't care. I still want to use it. I still want to do it. I think it'd be fun. How did it update? Okay, so I said it had a lot of players. 1,000 players? Dude, at the time it felt like a lot of people. It had a Roblox admin that played it a lot. I'll show you. This guy, J to the Dublin. This guy played it so fucking much. He was an admin. I don't know if he still is. But yeah, he was, he grinded the fuck out of the game. I think he was probably top player. He might be on the leaderboards. I know Dublin, he's not an admin anymore. Oh, did he get fired? Look, see? He was number 8. Number 7 in total mined. Isn't that crazy? He mined 111,000 ore. Think about this. Dude, I have the best pickaxe, and this is how fast... Oh. Oh, shit broke. Well, oh well. Where's the release? It's not happening. What was not happening today? Alright, back to work. Will Drillbit 2 drop before May? I mean, I won't make any promises, but I feel very confident it will. So, I mean, take it with a grain of salt, but... I feel pretty confident it'll be out. You didn't have to expose my YouTube like that, sorry. I was just curious. Yeah, I don't care. You do whatever you want. You made 50K off an emote Flamingo showcase in his video. Nice. Wish I made 50K. I've never even seen that much Robux before. I think the most I've ever had is like 13,000. And I bought I forget what it was. I think it was like a Mr. Tentacles or something. It was pink. I don't miss Celius. Did you know Leaf made 400K in 2 days with his new game? Wait, what? No way. No, he did not. Okay, not dude. Troller get trolled, bruh. Troller get trolled. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, there's no way he made 400K Robux. That's impossible. Dude, I think the most a game on Roblox has ever made is like 150,000 Robux in a day. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? He's made 400,000 in a day. Do you guys hear how ridiculous you sound? Like, hello? I'm confused where the fuck this is. Am I brain dead? Wait, there's no model here. What the fuck? The game's out, people are playing it. Am I stupid? Oh, I duped the intervals? No way. Wait, I did. How the fuck did that happen? Interesting. Okay. Yes, less music. Interesting. Okay. All right. I fixed it, I guess. Dude, who would have thought? I mean, do they public function? What's a public function? Functions that other scripts can use. How do you do that? Usually we define as like, isn't a function like in here? How would another script use it? Can I test? I'll stop calling you cute. It says XZSeer for $2. Appreciate the $2, man, bro. I'll give out tester soon. Dude, don't send me your money. I appreciate the two bones though. Sounds like retro propaganda. It might be. Oh, is this a React feature? Like the functions? What's up, that bro? How you doing, bro? $4 to test, bro. You could. I'm not kidding. You could set $1,000 and I wouldn't make you a tester. Dude. It's just how it is, bro. Because the moment I accept someone for paying money, that sets a precedent. Money does not talk, bro. The whole point of being selective about having testers is so I don't get annoyed. But I won't be annoying. I don't fucking care. The testers I have are normal people, and they still sometimes annoy me. I mean, dude, it is what it is. I mean, dude, I love the testers, but like sometimes these motherfuckers love to send me a bug in chat, and will keep sending it over and over and over again until I read the message. You know who you are. I know some of you are in here. I hope your stomach dropped a little bit when you heard me say that. Fuck you. Was that actually Aura Uni? Maybe if you replied more and were a good streamer, it wouldn't be a problem. Do we slander your image now or after the stream? Wait until the game does well, and then you can slander me. You can make a bunch of Twitter posts, you can send clips, you can say, look at how horrible he is to everybody. I don't like you anymore. Wait, really? Is it gonna make more than Slime RNG? Dude, I can guarantee you it will not. I'm so confident that it will not make as much as Slime RNG, bro. I would put Popsicle's entire life on it. Popsicle's young too. Popsicle has a whole life ahead of them. I would still put their life on the fact that it won't make as much as Slime RNG. I've had a bug. Double Crystals does not have a reward function bound. Thanks. The fact that Games Tycoon already makes it so much less likely at making bread. Well, I think the game is a little bold in what it's trying to do. The player base for Miners Haven, or like just all these games in general, I have no idea if they're gonna like the format of the game. Drillbit made a lot of money, but Drillbit was a better formula in the sense that people could hop in and understand it. Really, I gotta make sure that the onboarding is really, really good so people know like what the game is. Or like how to play it. The old Drillbit made in total like 180,000 Robux. So it made a lot of money. I remember I showed Uni, he was like, damn. He was super impressed. More money than I've ever seen in my life, dude. Me too, brother. Me too. I thought it was more. Nope, that was it. 180,000. Did you say you made 30K off it? Yeah, 30K Robux. Who's your number one hater as of now? Dude, I'll be honest. A lot of you guys want to fill the role of Celius. I can tell. You guys all try to be negative. You guys try to have that same dynamic as Celius. You'll never be Celius. Celius somehow was able to make hating funny. I don't even know how he did it. You guys, all you guys do is hate, and it doesn't even land. I'm not negative. Yeah, right. You're just defensive. No, I'm not. Celius gave up on you. Really, John? You think so? Dude, I don't know what the fuck that was. I think I got a fucking cat upstairs or something. I don't know. It's like... I don't know. Why'd you remove clipping? I did not. I'll look into it. I'll look into it after stream. Because it shouldn't be. Alright, let's see. Oh, hello. Hello, Mr. Crates. Mr. Crates. Do any of you live alone? Nah, who am I kidding, bro? I'm talking to an audience of fucking high schoolers. Dude, living alone can be so scary sometimes. Dude, occasionally I'll be like brushing my teeth, I'll like see my shadow, and I'll think there's like something in my apartment. Or sometimes I'll hear a noise and I'll have to clear out my apartment. Maybe I'm schizo as fuck, but like I'll hear a noise and I'll have to like go through everywhere, check the pantry, make sure there's nothing in there, check the closets, make sure there's nothing in there. Check my room, see if there's anything in there. Dude, I don't know why I get so scared sometimes. Every night I check every room, really? Dude, it's scary sometimes. Dude, you guys, you can't be using the behind you. Idiots. Shit don't fly. They gonna break in and snatch your empty ass wallets. Okay. Dude, you know what did scare me the other day though? So I'm sitting in my room. I was just working on something, I don't know, whatever. And all of a sudden, my security alarm goes off. Like, the alarm that says, like, intruder alert, intruder alert. And I'm like, the fuck? Dude, and so I go up to the security alarm, and it says balcony. I'm like, what? I'm on the 29th floor. I was like, what the fuck? And so here I am, all the curtains are closed, and I'm, like, scared as fuck. I'm like, what am I about to do? So I like slowly open it, and it was nothing. But bro, I was like, is there someone trying to get in? Is there someone trying to get in on my balcony? But no, I mean, must have been just like a glitch or something. It was me. Wait, really? There's a couple chatters I wouldn't mind trying to sneak in my balcony. John? I also have a door in my apartment that's always creaking. It's right next to me. And it doesn't close. Like, it doesn't click closed. So it'll do like a... The entire fucking stream I can hear it too. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Dude, even when I'm sleeping, it'll creak in and out. And alt baddies are haunting me. Dude, I fucking wish. Dude, oh my god, I wish. I make a VR game. It's low-key fun. Hell yeah, bro. Do you have like a VR headset? And all Bay does not want you, bro. No flame. Whatever. Dude, I think you'd be surprised. I think you'd be surprised at the amount of play I get when I'm walking around. When I'm walking around the city. People be saying, okay, white boy. They actually say that when I'm walking around. What? Holy LARP. What am I LARPing? What kind of guys do you like? What? He's so short. The amount of lies we just heard in less than 5 minutes. OMG Zermon says 83 with Batty's saliva dripping over you. Ew. I don't even know why I read that. I don't even know why I read that message. Anyways, back to work. Cake is cake even with a candle. What the fuck does that even mean? Dude, like, what's the context? They aren't wrong, though. I guess they aren't. Keyread Automon, my message got deleted. I don't have I don't have it open. Like what you're seeing right now is what I see. I'm too much of a low-grade thinker to understand. I'll be honest, bro, I don't really understand it either. But everyone thought it was funny, so I'm just gonna play it off. What? When do you release your game? I don't know. We'll see. Still got a lot of work ahead of me. Hurry up. Okay. Okay. Alright, I will. Can you give me a zone idea for Leafs game? Do this. A forest. Like this. Search up a turn of forest. Or a city. Like Jubilife City. How are you not verified? Dude. I think you guys think I'm bigger than I actually am. I'm a cuck lord. I'm a cuck lord on Roblox. Uh-oh. Well, also, I don't really care to have the verified badge on Roblox. That's like that's like having a sign that says I'm a virgin on it. I don't need that shit. Dude, everyone I know that has a verified badge is insufferable as fuck, including CLV. I don't want to be in the same group as them. Brum brum. Brum brum. Dude, 7? What's left for release? Dude. How about instead of me working on the game, I just play through it a lot. Ooh, rare little item. What the fuck? This game is a long-running April Fool's joke. Really? You think so? Not enough rolling sound effects? Bro, I don't... Dude, what more do you want out of rolling sound effects? It makes a sound every time it changes. And then it tells you the reward. I didn't give a release date, because I don't know when it'll be ready. When game coming? I don't know. Dude, honestly, to be quite honest with you, I might just play it on stream forever. Like, that might just be the game. Those are just something that I play. Yo, Tango! Wait, I know you. Yo, aren't you, Evan Bear's friend? I recognize you, I think. You could play soon. I don't know for sure when. I'm pretty sure this is the 5th delay. First of all, it's the 2nd delay. And third of all, bro, I'm not gonna tell you the date until I know when it'll be out. When it will be out. So now we're just lying. Okay, how am I lying? Show your to-do list, bro. The to-do list has just grown a little bit now that I have no deadline or release date. Isn't this the exact same as last Drillbit? Yeah, it's identical. Emily, you want to be added to tester? Yeah, there's gonna be layouts on release. You like the map? Is there any game passes? Yeah, there are. There's gonna be triple unbox, double luck, customized plot, 2x crystals, fast unbox, MVP, dog upgrader, classic bundle, and cat upgrader. If you own double luck in the old one, you get this. If you owned any of the customized plot stuff in the old one, you get this. If you owned MVP in the old one, you also get this. And that's it. If you own half of the game passes in the old one, you'll get a special dropper. I'll show you. You'll get this guy if you own half of them, and then if you own all of the game passes, you'll get this one. That way, I hope people in the old game don't feel like they got like ripped off. Holy cash grab simulator. How? No, but I might add them because of the delay. Well, I wouldn't buy them. I literally upcharged all the Drillbit game passes after the fact. Or, like, yesterday. Or a couple days ago, sorry. Where's the bro coming from? This. Dude, Kjor, I'm be honest, bro. If I wanted to hear your opinion on satisfying roles, I would have said, "Hey, Kjor, can you give me your opinion on satisfying roles?" But I'm actually looking for the message. I don't think I sent that. Did I? I'm confused. Where is it? Where's the message? That's one defensive statement, really? Dude, I can show you something defensive. I don't think you'd like it, though. Bruh. You can't really make satisfying roll without declarative UI, so I think it's good enough. Thanks, user. What are your thoughts? Dude, very nice. Super cool. Alright, back to work. Do you make the new map? I never asked. No, Ox did. Yeah, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. It's a good color too. Belly bump. Rolling's like the whole point of the game. You gotta max that. Hey, Kjor, I really appreciate your feedback. Please can I have tester now? Possibly. Mm-mm. Dude, every classic Dirt Monster viewer knows exactly what's looming, and trust me, I'm really trying my best not to do it anymore. Every classic Dirt Monster viewer knows. I'd be down for some entertainment. Just do it. I can't, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna start meowing. Okay. This works for now. We've got boxes working. And that should only appear for... Yeah, after I make this game, I'll start speedrunning. I was trying to make it my game. I used Roblox AI and ended up making my game worse. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Aventail. We're gonna need more items than that. You want more items? Maybe. Is your game a singular script architect? Well, I don't even know what that means. Singular script architecture. Dude, that shit's advanced as fuck. You have many scripts, it can't be singular script architecture. Oh, yeah, I don't do one script. That's, I don't even know how you make a game out of that. I use a lot of module scripts and stuff like that. You're the best. Thanks, bro. I love you. What the fuck? Good night, Chemo. Thanks for stopping in. Want to hear sirens in the back? Because I live in the city, bro. I live in Gotham. Why do you use local variables instead of global variables? What's a global variable? Is it like a keyword? Incomplete statement. What is that? Try global with a G. Okay. Okay, now this is making everything weird. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not big on like that stuff. No, you can't. Don't. Mine's 3 hours behind. Cool. No rebirth. It's time I get rid of... No, Easter will come back. It's just that you guys are testing with the Easter stuff, which I think is not helping with balancing, because you guys are all testing with items that are meant to be pretty decent. No, he wasn't. So I didn't realize there were so many like advanced scripters in the chat. I'm honored. What's up, Cursor? What level are you on scripting? Very, very beginner. I'm also low on XP. Are you familiar with classes and object-oriented programming? I've never heard of object-oriented programming. Have you guys? I'm actually curious, like, how advanced are, like, people that watch? Like, have you guys heard of classes or object-oriented programming? I've never heard of that. You're on loops. Loops are going. Turb didn't go to class. Good one. Yeah, really good one, bro. You're a Rolex dev? Well, I mean, a lot of them don't know what like object-oriented programming is. I don't know. I don't know what it is. First try, Pac-Man. Yes, I love salt and vinegar. I like to eat that shit till my teeth and gums feel numb. And then I realize it's done. I gotta stop. Well, I mean, it's cool. I didn't realize that there were so many, like, skilled devs that watch me. I sort of just made the assumption, like, people were, like, here to, like, learn or, like, watch. Or, I mean, I don't know about learn, because I'm still learning myself, but I didn't know if people were just sitting here for, like, background noise or something. Alt. Click and then alt. Or alt and then click, sorry. Uh-oh. Oh, it's because I'm right-clicking. Bitch. Epic. Cool. So what I'm doing is I'm sort of converting. Do you ever use... I'll be honest, I don't even know what those two words say. Do you know what... I don't know what this means. Yeah. What about Lua? Couldn't tell you. Is the coding language Roblox uses. Oh. That's what this is called? I had no idea. I thought it was Python. Am I crazy? Is it not Python? I've never heard of Lua. That's interesting. So this is the clean. We use this to clean up. Table insert. Okay, we get rid of this then. I think what I'm gonna do is this. Subdocument. Okay, so the new hover is gonna be handled like this. We have our update functions. So now we'll grab mouse like that. We can go to this will be let's do local function get selected from hover. This will be while I do if I has tag if I has tag then return I equals I dot parent, and this return nil. This return I. So we'd say get selected from hover. This should be type instance. Where did you learn about types and type checking if you're only a beginner? I read through a lot of old code, like people's code. And I guess I just picked it up. Okay, so we have this on render stepped. We are, I mean, you could probably just stepped here. We check this, we do a raycast to see what our mouse is pointing at. If the last hit is no longer the same as we should probably do local new hit equals get selected from hover hit dot instance. If new hit doesn't equal last hit, then we'll say last hit equals new hit. I think this is fun. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in on this thing, add a new tag, call it hoverable, name this module script hoverable, and now allegedly we should be able to hover over this. What do we think? Is it going to work? First try? Oh, well, I need to unlock it first. Where the fuck is it? Fuck! Is there an error? Hoverable. No, the game's not released. So it's getting there. Oh, I know why, because I'm not updating params. Params filter sentences equals collection service. Get tagged. Tag. And we'll do that every time there's a new one and every time it is cleaned. Boom. I just gotta make a hitbox for it now. I'm gonna say if target is a model, then target.prime selection box equals target.primary part or target, else. And we'll just cast this to any. Silence that motherfucker. Make it more transparent. Good comms. So now what we gotta do is we gotta add in a hitbox. What the fuck? Oh. Dot Adorny. That's why I was flagging. Do you have a course? I use byte blocks as... Byte blocks is really good. Good enough, I think. Or maybe I make it just smaller. Like that. I like that better, to be honest with you. Okay, cool. So now we gotta do the daily gifts. I'm gonna make this blue. Okay. All right, let's see. Oh my God. Sweetness. Okay. Now we gotta move the we have to make it so items now use the same hoverable. This is all part of the plan. For the lighting settings for the game, 1 brightness, 255 ambient, 1 environmental diffuse, 1 environmental specular, and then a skybox. No problem, man. Okay, cool. Well, okay, what the fuck kind of question is that? Does this not work? Should I keep it? I don't even know if this works. Hey, Evan. Image level would be tougher. No problem, bro. I'm glad you added it. What? I'm confused. Why did these not work? None of the... Dude, it's documented, but it's not... This is Halo? Halo 3. Note that these only work for studio plugins. Oh my god. I'm so brain dead. I didn't even read. Dude, surely, like, this is... Pointing hand. I'm literally about to re-upload all of these. Don't fuck with me because I'm about to. Someone tell me not to because I'm going to. I'm doing it. Wait, what's the alien? What's that website you use for all the icons and shit? Ew. Oh my god, you found it. Can you actually send me that so I can bookmark it? Oh my god, dude, look at that. Dude, so epic. I'm gonna do that for everything. It's a plugin. What did he send me? He sent me the Roblox official thing. The reason why I didn't want to upload my own is because if these are, I would imagine these are given to you when you're loading into the game. Like, I would imagine these are whatever. So you won't have, I mean, we could see. Yeah, there's no, like, load time. Whenever you show an image for the first time, it loads for a second. So it's nicer to just use the Roblox specific icons. L icon, suck my fucking balls. L take. Type shit Derp will work on instead of getting critical things out. Shut up. You shut your mouth. You shut your pie hole. Can we spend Robux on this game? Dude, you won't be able to. I'm turning off all the Robux transactions. Is this gonna be a free game? Why is current tester version bug central? What bugs? If I can't spend Robux on this game, I'm gonna throw a tantrum. Really? When is it releasing? I don't know. I haven't decided. Check Gen. I see. Do you remember SAT score? Yeah, I got a 1470. The manager has 95%, but Ox and I have the remaining 5%. Ox and I got paid to make this game. We each got $1,000, so we're swimming pretty well right now. How many tries did it take me? 3. My first one was a 1080, my second was an 1170, and the third one was a 1470. So you got lucky. Yeah. Well, the third one wasn't me. Like, it wasn't. What do you mean you got lucky, dude? When you retake it, you're supposed to study between them. Like the whole point is to get better. The third one, my mom made me study for the entire summer. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, almost the entire summer, I had to do like 4 hours of SAT prep every single day, and I still got a 1470. I was actually kind of livid because I was like, bro, if I'm wasting a whole fucking summer doing this, I might as well get a 1600. And I got a 1470. My math was like a 790. Personally, you raw dogged it. Wow. And you got a 1430. I had a friend that took it high and got a 1370. I was pissed about that. Like, dude, he came into school smelling like weed at 7 a.m. And I was like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? And he was like, I don't know. He was like, is this a test? He was like, I'm not going to college anyways. And so, because we all got it for free because we were a low-income school. And so he took the test, and he got a 1370. And I was like, what? Dude, this fucking idiot, we were in the psych class together, and he took a psychic exam high. And for anyone that doesn't know, this is what a dendrite is. It's like a part of the neuron or some bullshit. I don't fucking know. It's like right here. And so it was a psych like anatomy test or whatever. So we just had to name all of these things. It was a super easy it was a super easy question, bro. He called these stems. Dude, he's so fucking dumb. Well, okay, well, I mean, he's not dumb, but dude, he called them stems. So stupid. The law of sine? Dude, I don't know the law of sine. You take discrete? Yeah. I did. I almost TA'd in discrete. I didn't fill out the app in time, but the professor said that I should. I ended up TAing for that same professor senior year. What was my final grade in discrete? I failed it. I failed it, then I got a 97. In my college, there was a whole semester class on how to take a first derivative, and that called like 80% of the kids in my degree. First derivative is tough. It's 1125. How did you do math without ChatGPT? I don't know. Hardest course in comp sci? Well, the hardest course I took, like, I don't, dude. It's I don't know. I don't like to say it because I feel like it makes me look like a cuck, but like, I'd like to think that if I was actually like really trying in computer science, I wouldn't have failed. Now I get it. At the end of the day, I failed. So whether I tried or not, I still failed. The one class that I really tried in that I failed was algorithms. I don't fucking know how. I don't know, bro. That shit was way too hard for me. Dude, I understand algorithms, but where I failed was trying to like write it in English. Like, how many iterations would this take? Or what is like the complexity of this? Or like, I don't fucking know. Dude, it's easy to say, oh, this is O of n, this is O of n squared. But then once you get into O of log n, or O of whatever bullshit, O of m plus n, O of m squared plus log n. Dude, I don't fucking know. No, data structures was easy. Do a leak code question right now is redemption? No. How is he such a Chad and nerd at the same time? Really? Why don't you try in computer science? Well, dude. Okay, dude. It's so cringe to say now. I thought, I don't give a fuck about this. I'm gonna just do Roblox for a living. And at the time, I thought I was hot shit. I thought, dude, I had the biggest fucking ego in 2020, 2021, where I was like, dude, I'm like, we can actually, let's take a read of some old Dirt Monster code when I thought I was hot shit and I wanted to quit. Dude, it's bad. It's bad because dude, my ego was so through the roof. And the reason why I get so annoyed when there are random chatters coming in and saying, why aren't you doing this? Or you should be doing this, is because I see myself in them. And it reminds me of me doing some random fucking bullshit and thinking I was hot. And when these people need to be humbled, just like I needed to be humbled. I'm not gonna log in. But but it was bad. In that time, was I getting Robux? No, dude. I was surrounded by a lot of people that... Listen, I really, really appreciate the people that were there at the time, but those people were constantly saying that I was goated, I was insane, I was talented, I was whatever. And I think that to a degree, if you have friends, they should definitely tell you stuff like that. But I think your friends should also be honest with you. Dude, they were not fucking honest. Maybe they were honest, like maybe they thought like, oh yeah, he was pretty good. But bro, I need a little bit of like splash of reality saying like, okay, maybe you're alright, but you are not like good enough to be doing this shit full time. Like you're not good enough to be dropping out of college. And so I stopped going to class quite a few times. I didn't study, and I focused on Roblox instead. And so they really did feed the ego. And I mean, it took a lot of failures to understand that I was not that hot. And yeah, that sucked. Would you go back? Well, no, probably not. Well, this was sophomore and freshman year. How do you get into EMS? Okay, so I guess if we're being honest, I'm not actually an EMS. I lied about that. I thought everyone was aware it was a joke, so it's my fault. You're not an EMS? Nope. No, I'm not. I swear 9% of chat believes you're trolls. Yeah. Wow. Dude, that just worked. Dude, that is insane. So, an issue with this is that if we do this and then we hover over, there's a... How are we supposed to know if what you say or not is true? I don't know, dude. Sometimes I just like to lie. Like, sometimes I'll go an entire stream and I'll, like, tell you guys a story that's a complete fucking lie. And, dude, no one is in on it but me. And I just enjoy it. Like, I enjoy, like, there is something in me that loves it. That I'm thinking, like... People are asking questions, and I'm on the fly coming up with an answer. Dude, I don't know. It's just something that makes me happy. Dude, I lie to my neighbors. I lie to my doorman. I lie to everybody. I love it. I love it so fucking much. Dude, you know how you guys said earlier, you asked me where I lived, and I said Bama? Dude, I don't live in Bama. I'm nowhere close. Dude, I told my neighbor the other day that I lived in Alabama, and she started asking questions. I just had to come up with bullshit. Like, yeah, real rural. You wouldn't know the town. Dude. Because she was like, oh, what part? And I was like, I'm close to the south. We could tell you ain't from Bama. We could tell you are from Bama. Look how shitty the market is. And the rise of AI. Don't you think it was kind of smart to drop out and try something else? No, because I ended up getting a tech degree. And also, I ended up... Despite me dropping out of computer science, I still applied for computer science jobs, and I lied about being a computer science major. On my resume, I just kept putting that I was computer science. And I forced my way into software engineering jobs, and my career field, or my career path is definitely still software engineering. Yeah, way. Dude, I don't give a damn. What are they gonna do, check me? They have a million applicants. They're not gonna check what I'm up to. I did. I think, my opinion is, I think a degree itself is worthless, but I do think that going to college and getting a degree is pretty good. I think it's, I mean, maybe you guys disagree. I think it's a good thing to do. Maybe it's a little bit delaying adult life, but, you know, It's good to make connections, meet people, put yourself in a new scenario. I mean, if you miss out on it, you miss out on it. Like, it's not the end of the world. But I also think that if you're going for it, I mean, I still think you can get something out of it. Really, the degree itself is probably worthless, the piece of paper. But like meeting people and like making connections with people that are in your field is what's invaluable about a degree. Game so cool. Thank you, WK. Look at the newest bug report. Alright, take a look. Oh, this isn't a bug. This is intended. I turned off viewing the bottom. This? What? This is... The reason why this happens is because all of the ores are being networked to you, and because the client, Popsicle, has network ownership, they're telling you where the ores are supposed to be. This is why exploiters did so well in Drillbit, because you can just teleport all your ore to all the upgrades, if you wanted to. I mean, Proton also made things where ore could, like, fly around him and stuff like that. They're slowing down a lot. What? Where? I didn't start doing it yet, but I will. Oh, they speed up after not touching you? I mean, this might just be, like, on your end. Because it looks like they end up jumping ahead. Well, I don't know. I also don't really care. You guys have network ownership, and the next update will end up making it so you guys have full network ownership. I mean, bro, what do you want me to do about it? It's Roblox's networking. What you want me to, like, make my own ores, my own physics, and fix it for you? Dude, I don't give a fuck about like a half a second friction delay. Cucklords, appreciate the bug report. All right. Why do you like to see us sad? You guys like to see me sad when you send me these bullshit fucker bug reports. Because then I have to add to the list. I'm kidding. I'm happy about the bug reports. The bug reports just make me sad. You said you were too locked in on Roblox during college. How did you stop, or did you even stop? I didn't stop. I picked a major where I could stream all the time and work on my games, and then show up for like an hour a day. Maybe that's a lie. I mean, I did end up doing, like, I did study for tests and whatever, and like make sure I was doing well in school because I knew it was my final shot. The issue with where I was academically was I failed out of computer science, but I was 1 credit away from failing out of the university. So if I had failed another class at all, I wouldn't have made it back. I wouldn't have been able to come back to school. So it would have been a waste of time. And so once I failed out of computer science, I knew that I couldn't really mess around. So I picked a major where I could keep learning coding, because I really did enjoy coding at the time. And I could also work on like my own stuff, and then make sure that the games that I'm working on still get love. But yeah. Where are you working now? This is the job. Drillbit made a lot of money, and Drillbit made a lot of money, and I don't really spend a lot of money, so like I'm chilling for a little bit. So this game will do well. We'll see. How many classes do you fail? 6. 6 classes. It was 6 classes, and a couple of them were 4 credit, and I think that it was 23 credits that I had that were failed. So 24 is getting kicked out of the university. So I got pretty lucky. How many were you taking a semester? 15? 15 to 18. Okay, I'm gonna make a new method inside of here. Is the thing with Happy Feet real? Yeah. I think at some point in the next year or two, I probably will do a trade though. Like not to like make it my career or anything, but I think I will go to school for a trade. Like maybe like, I don't know. I think it's good skill to have, good to be certified, and then also has a lot of career options that won't be replaced anytime soon. I don't think it's like a bad choice to do. And also trade school is pretty cheap. Derp diploma. Yeah, maybe. I don't know if I want to do plumbing though. I had to see a lot of gross stuff when I worked in a restaurant, like incredibly gross. Dude, you would be surprised at how like fine dining people are on Friday nights or Saturday nights. Dude, we worked in fine dining, but we had a bar and we opened up the bar for weekends. And so these fine dining motherfuckers would come in and they would get wasted and throw up or like it's so gross. Just think of like the grossest possible bathroom and just like amplify it. That's exactly what I had to deal with. So fucking annoying. Dude, also, you know what? You do dishes, right, dog man? I'm sure this pisses you off too. I hate a motherfucker that puts baby shit on the plates. Like, dude, so annoying. I hate babies. Dude, I can't fucking stand them. Dude, if I see a baby in public, I get actually angry for some reason. Dude, maybe I'm like, maybe that's bad. I cannot fucking stand them. Why? Dude, they're so stupid looking. They're so stupid looking. They cry. Dude, they smell bad. Dude, babies have like a distinctive smell. All of them smell the same way. It smells like... I don't even know what it smells like. It smells gross as fuck. I fucking hate them. I worked at a buffet and babies always trash the place. Dude, I was a busser and I don't know, every single time you got to touch the high chair, it's sticky, and then dude, babies, they like to break apart the fucking crayons. Dude, they spill shit. You got to clean up milk off the table. Like, dude, these people would like bring in like oh my god, you know what pisses me off the most? Applesauce packets. And then applesauce all over the table. Dude, if my kid is making a mess, dude, they are not allowed in the store. They're not allowed in the restaurant anymore. They're going out to the fucking car and sitting in the car. I also hate when parents think that like their kid is the center of the universe and they'll make their kid like a show in the middle of the room. Like, here's an example. I'm sure some of you have been to like a fast food establishment and you see these two fucking, I don't want to be that guy, two fucking white parents with their stupid ass kid making a mess, doing a bunch of bullshit, screaming, whatever, in the middle of the store. And instead of yelling at their kid, dude, they're like recording and think it's the cutest thing of all time. It's not fucking cute. It's not cute at all. Dude, the kid needs to be hit is what it needs to be. I'm kidding about that. That was a joke. But dude, the kid needs to be like humbled. Baby needs to be humbled. And if you say anything, they act like you're the bad guy. Dude, you know what I fucking hate? Dude, I've been on planes before where a kid is crying or whatever. And bro, why is it the kid is not crying when we're waiting for the plane, but the moment we get on the plane, now they're crying? Dude, give the kid a pacifier. I don't know, give it an iPad. Dude, I'm not pro iPad parenting, but bro, when you're affecting other people's lives, like me trying to get a nap, me trying to get some Z's on the plane, dude, give the kid an iPad. Give it some melatonin. I don't know. It's a place they aren't used to. Well, dude, they need to get used to it. Dude, humans were built to adapt. If your kid can't behave on a plane, they shouldn't be allowed on a plane. 32-year-old with no girl and kid teaches parenting live streaming Roblox. I've flown a bunch of times and couldn't sleep. Dude, I don't know. I think I can fall asleep anywhere. I've been hanging out with friends and we're in like a furniture store and I'll sit on a sofa and I'll just fall asleep. I love sleeping. It's so nice. Waitresses ever piss you off at your job? No. All the waiters and waitresses were all cool that I worked at. I don't know if it's not a gender thing. Like there was no waitress or waiter, but there are definitely some waiters or waitresses that have like big egos and don't want to do shit, which is a little annoying sometimes. Step foot in North Texas and not even your family will feel as if something's missing. What does that even mean? I've fallen asleep on the metro before, the train, but I've missed my stop too many times for it. Like I can't. I've forced myself to stand now, because if I sit down, I'm sleeping. Dude, falling asleep on a train is the most peaceful thing I've ever done ever. Dude, I probably could have been robbed so many times. Have you ever fallen asleep on a chatter? What? I'm very happy with this new system. This is very nice. I like that I'm inheriting, or that all the selection box stuff is now in one component, and I have the clicky. I mean, I did in Dirt Mines, but I didn't, like, it's not good. Every time I've done Cave 10, it's parallel. Dude, what I would do if I were you is I would just have it, I would literally tell it, say, every so often, create a cave and make it like a preset cave or some shit. That's what I'm going to do in the new one. I'm going to literally make presets of caves, and then every time like it hits something, I'll have it spawn a cave, and that'll be it. What's left for release? We can keep working on useless bull. Suck my fucking balls. I want to work on this. I want to work on a new tooltip. I want to get this done before release, so now we can do it. Fix spawning on wrong plot. Aga. That does not happen. That is like literally impossible. Spawning on wrong plot. Don't fuck with me. Why do you get banned on Twitch? I mean, no one believes me. No one believes me when I say this shit. Normally, when I get banned on Twitch, it's understandable. I can get behind it. This time, I have no idea why I got banned. I'm dead serious. I could not tell you. Dude, it was serious violent threats, but, like, that's what the ban says. But I rewatched the VOD, and, dude, like, normally I can, like, see, oh, yeah, this makes sense. Like, this is definitely a whatever. Dude, there was no possible way anything I said that stream could have been interpreted as a serious violent threat. I'm dead, like, dude, I promise you, I wouldn't lie to, like, save my ass or whatever. Dude, I don't care. Dude, who am I trying to, like, impress or save by saying, oh, I didn't say it. Dude, I swear to God, I have no idea. What font is that? It's Montserrat. No, that message wasn't. The message about killing family was, dude, that's impossible. What are you saying? What are your pronouns? He, him. Thanks for asking. What are your pronouns? Actually, my pronouns are fae/fair. If that doesn't like my pronouns, I can't send them. Assuming you're saying something bad, it's probably best that you can't send it. Okay. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. You said those are the most tame messages, really? Be honest, have you guys sent a message, see it didn't go through, and then tried sending it again? Like, in a different way? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, like every other message, really? What the fuck is this? You just changed your profile picture? What is this? I've done that like 5 times this stream alone. Dude, you don't ever chat. Like, this is a rare stream. You're in rare form right now. Can you do the Sykkuno voice? No. No, I'm not doing the Sykkuno voice. No. Dude, if I do the Sykkuno voice, it's gonna be clipped into oblivion. Dude, I know you guys. We won't. So tell me, why the fuck is this happening? Oh, it's a vector too. What the fuck? Was? Right? Say, but my income 3 times fast. Dude, I keep seeing that meme on my I keep seeing that meme on my Instagram. Dude, I love people saying, like, how did he do this? Select this to view the rebirth menu. Yo, thoughts? W? I think this looks phenomenal. I'm very, very pleased with this, actually. I think it looks professional. Excellent. Looks amazing. Galaxy music, yeah. Cool. I'll add tooltips then. How's it appear on mobile if it's a hover? They won't see it. It'll just be a. They'll just see like a mobile thing. When they walk near it, they'll see a like a press down or some shit. Alright, cool. So we got this. So this is gonna be header. Description. Someone told me spawned in on wrong base. You didn't. You didn't spawn on the wrong base. It's because I'm stupid. The tutorial is broken and it tells you to go to the other side, the other base. You're on the right base. Didn't get anything from crate. You what the fuck? God, I suck. You couldn't do anything on the base you spawned in. What? What the fuck? Classic. Okay. That explains. Oh my god. That explains so much. Dude, that explains so much. Oh my god. People were falling. Look, look. So I added a funnel. And I noticed 4% of people fell off, which I guess isn't that much. It's only 4 people, but people were saying there were problems. I didn't realize. So people must have tried rejoining or some shit and tried to. Dude, people really wanted to get into the game and give it a shot. Anyways, Raceman in bug reports. Hi, Rail. Okay. Fixed. Fixed. Broken. This will be fixed. Drop rate tooltip. 1 ore every 0.8 seconds. Okay. Can you hit the sea lion for the one time? No. The sea lion. There's a couple members, yeah. Wait, this guy's a member. Oh, Evan is too. Nation of 2 people. Okay, you didn't have to be so mean. Name game. It's just gonna be called Drillbit. It's not out. You should post some shorts. I can't, bro. I tried. I suck at them. Nah, no popper Roy berries. Well, I mean, I don't really care to, like, be doing well on stream, to be honest with you. What? Tenth roll, I got an enforced upgrader. Damn. I had similar luck. There's a link to the bug Discord. Here you go. Tell me to join because I'll have to promote you. All right. All right, I promoted you to bug tester. Oh, probably not. The reason why is because it's like 10 different systems. Like it was poorly made. Hi, Hansel. It was poorly made. Like it wasn't like something that's simple. Like you can't really like open source it because it like overlaps on like other relying systems. It was just bad. It was just bad. I want to see something. I only watch streams for the music. Ow. Let's take a look at. There's a couple games I want to look at. Reincarnated, made by Surflane. If you guys are looking for a game to play that is not Drillbit, Reincarnated is pretty good. I just want to take a look at some of their UI. Well, specifically just the hover. This is not bad. Okay. And the Sykkuno voice. Oh. Should you imagine I'm banned in Miners Haven? I sort of like that they put this shit in the center. Nah, I don't, actually. I don't know if it's dumb or lag. Click on the button here. It's not, you're not dumb. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, sorry, it's just not labeled. Why does he have access but we don't? because he's been watching for a long time. All of the people that have been watching the stream for a long time have access. So we're lying. What do you mean we're lying? Well, not all, but quite a bit. I don't got access? Dude, Kemi. He's been watching since 2020. Hi, Medicine. Timmy, what's your username on Twitch? Yeah, no, I might actually make the, I might have Ox make the 5-point upgrader easy to use. I just think, like, the people that are playing right now are not brain dead, and we can't really figure it out, including me. So I would imagine there's going to be issues. Nah, no plans on centering conveyor. I was not able to get a centering conveyor to work at all in the old Drillbit. We went through 5 different iterations and it never worked. I literally could not tell you why it didn't work. It just, so many people got pissed about it, and I couldn't be asked to like try and figure it out. I would get it working in studio, and then I would immediately publish it, and then people would be like, wait, this isn't working for me? I'd be like, okay. Are you PST? Nah, I'm East. Yeah, fine point's is about to be not fine point. What the fuck? Oh, I'm in game right now. What do you guys think about this game? Pretty epic? I don't know, dude. I'm always gonna be critical of this game. I feel like they ruined it. I don't know. Items look sick as fuck. Like, these items look good. But this is a new item. And then you have this item, which is also a similar rarity. Like, look at the style. There's no like cohesiveness anymore. One item's from 2018 or 2016. One item's from 2025. Yeah, it's feels like a different game. I mean, look at this. Basic cell furnace. Would have been peak if it drills offline, true. I really do, like... It's funny, because I think this game could be revived. At least in my opinion. It's got 200 people that are always playing. Bro, I think if they just did a brand new restart, cut out all of the items in the game, and just did like a brand new Miner's Haven, people would eat it up. People would love it. Nobody likes Drillbit because Drillbit tried something new, but also it wasn't Miner's Haven. Like, if I had access to the Miner's Haven IP and I just obliterated the fucking game, dude, people would eat it up. People would eat it up if I just literally remade Drillbit and it had the name Miner's Haven. They would love it. The Miner's Haven fans just love this game. This game is an eyesore. Yeah, I also don't like the lighting. I don't know what they're doing, but I don't know. Like, this is the problem with the game. They add way too much bloat into it, and so now you have bases that look like this that are just perpetually like multipliers on multipliers. And I don't know. I'm not a fan of like the styling of. Dude, like, look at these. These items don't look like they're from the same game. We get Festive Spirit, and then we get like a, I don't even know, it's like a balloon. Then we got this. Oh, this is Miner's Haven. I don't know. I do. Oh, I really want to like love this game, and I wish it was back to what it was, but it will never be 2016 Miner's Haven anymore. Reincarnate is really good. Reincarnate is really good, but the only issue I have with it is not like anything wrong that they're doing. It's just it's not my kind of game. I don't like Rebirth spam. I stopped playing Miner's Haven when it became Rebirth spam, and that's really what Reincarnate is now. Well, OG Miner's Haven wasn't really Rebirth spam because it was so hard to get to that point. Like, people would spend days upon weeks trying to Rebirth. Yeah, I mean, Miner's Haven is just awful. I mean, they have like 8 different designers. I think Talon fucked up the game by introducing some like framework to the game that they're trying to hire people for that framework. It's the same thing with Asylum Life. Asylum Life is this Rebirth grind. Yeah, I will stand by this, that I think Rebirth grinding is a blanket to no content. There needs to be something more. I think they tried with the shards or whatever, but also, you know what sucks about Miner's Haven? You can't open any of the menus when you're except for the shop. You can't open any of the menus when you're not on your base. You have to go back to your base. I played Industrialist. It was alright. The reason why I didn't like Industrialist, what the fuck? My furnace is floating. What the fuck? How is this even possible? I got a corrupted save file. I'm gonna keep it. Miner's Hell? Isn't Miner's Hell the one that had the interface on the side? I'll be honest, I'm gonna sound like a hater. I didn't like it. I didn't think it was that. I didn't think it was great. Like, I didn't think it was good user experience. It felt annoying to go through the tutorial, and then the placement just wasn't fun for me. Like, it didn't feel satisfying. I think Drillbit 2 is way better, but I mean, only time will tell. We'll see. I mean, I think that Drillbit 2 is going to be in a better place on release than Drillbit 1, which means I can focus on content. Hawk 2 your own game. I mean, of course I'll like, I just think in general, like, objectively, it's a better game than the other one. Drillbit looking nice. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I hate Drillbit 1. Drillbit 1 is one of the worst fucking games on Roblox. I don't care. I hate that fucking game. Drillbit 1 was garbage, but this is looking nice. Thanks, man. Alright, I think this is fine now. So I's gonna be inspect. I'm gonna have to find a new button on console for inspecting. But you'll be able to walk over to anyone's base and inspect it, which I think will be nice. This is something the original Drillbit was lacking. Drillbit 2, I like it. Why? Because the RNG style. Appreciate it, Anthony. Goated motherfucker. Anthony, you don't mind if I like curse when I'm talking to you, right? No, here, take a look. There's a mastery in this game where you can buy more plot size. And then once you rebirth, you'll get an extra few slots, and that's permanent. So it'll never shrink once you have a big base. What's the goal with Drillbit 2? Just get cool items. Complete. There's gonna be an index. There'll be achievements. Now that's probably where most of the content's gonna be. That's dope. I fuck with it. Thanks, man. You can add some kind of skill tree. The mastery is the skill tree. I'm not gonna do anything like more advanced than that. We're gonna call this Tooltip Plus for now. Should I buy core blocks? Dude, I was considering buying like a bunch of Roblox stuff, but I gotta stop myself. I'm addicted to changing my character. I bought core blocks because you told me to. I didn't. Awesome, bro. How much for you to open source your placement system? You wouldn't want it. Like, I'm dead serious. You wouldn't want it. It's some bullshit. It's 2,000 lines of garbage. I want to give it, name a price, bro. I'm not selling it. Nice, dog, man. Why do we not keep progress right now in the test environment? You 100% do. You rejoined and it didn't save. Is that so? Dude, some people have been saying that their shit's not saving. I hit a bunch of stuff. Oh my god, dude, you got this core blocks? Wow, you look so cool. You don't have a dropper. What? Click E. Wait, you're right. Your data didn't save. 0 cache, 1 roll. What the fuck? I just don't know. Wait, you spawned here. Rejoin, rejoin, rejoin. Wait, you're actually spawning at the wrong base. What the fuck? Where are the ores coming from? It's because I'm not rendering people's bases. Does it still not work? That's impossible that it's resetting your data. What the fuck? People are spawning their on other bases? This doesn't make any sense. Oh, maybe someone can... I still spawn on my base? Well, the thing is, you spawned in his base last time. Interesting. Snapchat's free right now? Dude, fire. I've been spending $10 a month for Snapchat. Alright, thanks, Evan. Yeah, I mean, if there's any way to reproduce that, that would be very nice to know. Hey, you said SC. Use your private jet? Nah. Alright, I'm gonna end here, I think. I'm gonna work on this off stream, but I think I'm probably gonna sleep, to be honest with you. Today, a military plane/jet flew over my backyard while I was outside and was so loud. Really? Can profile source save data? Yeah, that's what I'm confused. I don't know how it's possible that I'm losing data. But plenty of people have reported it, so something is happening. It is also weird because it seems like he reset, or his stuff reset mid tutorial. Maybe that's it? His profile may not have closed. It's just weird because it should have. Like, there's... I've never had this problem before. Like, I've been using, like, this is how I've done it forever. Drillbit had no data issues. If you were going too fast, it'll bug. I mean, like, I don't think so. I respect the comment, but this is the same code that Drillbit had, and it didn't. There was no problems. And I would imagine people were rejoining, doing whatever. Did you check his data? No, I didn't. I could have. I should have. Like, this is the exact same code from Drillbit. And all my other games. Like, I've never had problems with this. Actually, wait a second. Wait, you might be right. I'm missing... There's a whole part of this that I'm missing. Wait, you might actually be right here. No, this is it. I would imagine this fixes it. Yeah, my generation is pretty bad. Are you using stream enabled? I'll do a quick little restart. Also, the game's not playable. I mean, it's playable for testers, but it's not playable for, like, the masses. Not yet. Oh, sub lollipop. My stuff is gone again. It should be fine now. I would hope. Where are you? Play something down. Play something down. Play something down. Dude. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna reset one more time. Sorry, everyone that's playing. I play some? Okay, restarting servers. This should fix it. Hold up. Alright, let's see. Yes or no? You keep getting placed at the beginning of a tutorial. What? Oh! 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 Your onboarding version's wrong, so every time it updates, play something, do something. Actually, no, it's gonna take. So, okay, you can actually test this on your own. Hold up. I'm restarting servers. I'm sorry. I know some of you testers are playing the game, having fun. Unfortunately, I gotta restart one more time. Okay, Evan, we're gonna test something with if you're okay. If you're okay with that, actually, I could probably test as well, but I don't want to reset my data. Yeah. Okay. So, Evan, do a couple steps of the tutorial. Place a couple things down, etc. Maybe place the upgrader and then... Okay. Rejoin. It should fix. Boom. Okay, all fixed. Thank you, Evan. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's because you weren't completing the tutorial. I think people are getting stuck on a specific part of the tutorial, which is preventing them from completing it. Good you find it, Dirt. Appreciate it, Anthony. Hey, Anthony, you're the GOAT. Dude, Anthony, I love your base. It's looking awesome. Dude, you're doing a good job. I like it. This is optimized. Thanks, no problem. Okay, good. Good. Thank you for helping me test or help me find that. Data resetting. Good. So it wasn't a profile store thing, it was me being stupid. So every time your data resets, we'll set the onboarding version. Yeah, perfect. I think there were other bug reports about that too. Yeah, I will. I'll do that. Drill set broke. Advanced ore needs to be... Okay. I gotta fix this ascending. Tooltip will be fixed tomorrow, so I'm just gonna delete this. Can't AFK open. Ooh, we'll do that tomorrow. Plot broken after rebirth. I gotta fix this. I have no idea how this guy was able to do this. He was able to reproduce his plot breaking. Couldn't tell you. It might still be getting stuck. You probably rejoined a new server. Or an old server, right? Feeling so lost in my game right now, does take a break? Yeah, it's okay to take a break. Just come back to it. Don't take too long of a break. Only like a day or two. He shuts down. You know what? I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna investigate this on my own. Let's see. My data. I'm in my own server. I'm gonna quickly join the other server. Is this the part that you reset on? Wait, did the upgrader disappear? I don't even know how it's possible. Yes, it'll always say like that. What the fuck? Okay, I guess we gotta investigate. My data didn't save, derp. Interesting. Okay, so this is saving. Wait. I think I know. I have 11 furnaces. I have 12 furnaces. I'm gonna have 13. It's trying to add the tutorial to your plot. Placed items. Who's gonna leave during the tutorial? Doesn't matter. It shouldn't be broken anyways. $15. 16. What the fuck is happening? I don't know what's happening. Don't worry. Don't you worry, Anthony. Well, this is weird because I understand. I understand what's happening here. I think. I'm almost inclined to say that it didn't save when I shut down servers. Blood bonded, or wait, are y'all buying blonded drop? What is that? I don't know why I said blood bonded. Oh, is he dropping a new album? Oh, just close? Man, no one wants a Frank Ocean. I want a song. Dude, I gotta sleep on this. I cannot figure this out. I get parts added from the tutorial added to my base after rejoining. Yeah, dude, I don't know how the fuck that's happening. And I don't know if that's been like an existing bug or not. How much you weigh? 135. Trying to get to 140. Oh, interesting. Yo, what's up, you Dino? Sorry, I missed your message. Yeah, I sure want to go to sleep. So yeah, I'll be live in the morning. There is a new data bug. I don't even fucking know what's happening. But I guess that this is good. This is happening because it's sort of raising some concerns on how I do reconciling data. The biggest problem here is that how I'm reconciling data is I'm deep copying the tutorial into your data, which is really, really bad. So what I tried to do is I tried to deep copy your current placed items and then move it in here, but I don't think that's really gonna work or do anything, or I clearly that isn't working or doing anything. I was the shop in Gen. Alright, I'll check it out. It happened to me when you gave me tester earlier in the day and restarted servers. Okay, interesting. It's interesting. It's, you know, I think it's a tutorial bug, right? Cursor, did you get that bug in the tutorial or nah? I've been making my map now, like add more stuff to it. Hell yeah, Anthony. Anthony, you gotta send us pictures at some point, buddy. Is when you hit the tutorial. All right. Cursor, are you there, buddy? Or did Cursor get off? I also want to see if Cursor also had it, but I think you. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Hi, Evan. Cursor, when you said that tutorial items were added to your base, how, like, were you doing this tutorial? Did you reset your data, or was it like with your old data, like your big data? Blue programming seems very non-syntax friendly. It's very friendly. Actually, yo, Cursor, does it say unbox a new crate here at the top? Here, I'll just type. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna check his save data. Complete onboarding true. That's the wrong guy. Interesting. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna sleep on it, and then we'll work on it tomorrow. Man, it's so annoying. I was stuck on the unbox new crate, so every time you restart servers, it made all my data reset. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. So we'll fix this. I think I'm writing a note to myself. Good night, handsome. Good night, bro. I fucked the terrain design. Thanks. I didn't make it. It's Oxenite that made it, my builder. So, see you guys. Bye. Bye-bye. See ya. Have a good night. See ya. See ya. See ya. Bye.